So as you can see, we have this Flutter app on which we have these different cool fonts on which we are going to discuss about this package we use to get this cool or this design of these fonts, different fonts of Google Fonts. So let's get started to the code. So we are here in our Visual Studio Code on which we are going to discuss about this Google Fonts package. First thing we need to do is we have to build this UI for the for our fonts. So first, this is the title of this our up bar on which we are going to see on our top on the screen. Also, we have this wait. So we have this text on which we're going to change to our name. So as you can see, I changed the text on which the Google font also register this font lobster. So on this package style, Google Fonts is declared and it materialized the font lobster on which it takes on the package. I this style this get this on the package which is the Google Fonts and apply it into this text. So we can manipulate the font size, the color, also the color which we can create or darker. They're good for darker. So as you can see, it goes dark. And also the next one is this another cool font on which Google Fonts provide the font Pacifico. And also the Roboto is here. And Google Font Package also provide this font. So how can we use this? How can we import this package Google Font? First, we need to go to the pubs.dev that we have this link that they have to, they are showing some packages and you can see on that link on where or what packages you may use in your app. So we use these Google Fonts to provide those fonts on our screen. We use this version 5.0.0. After you put this, you save it and go to terminal, get this package into running. So flutter pub get. This command will update your dependencies, download the missing packages, and install it. So wait for a minute and that's it. It's downloaded the packages, updated the dependencies, and now you're ready to use the Google Font. And that's it. We have these cool fonts, different fonts of Google Fonts on our package. Thank you.